Pero sir, yung Manila of the Philippines as a convergence point, bakit sobrang importante ito for you? Because this has been quite a focus of your tenure as Defense Secretary, and really, hindi lang siya salita na mag-expand tayo ng defense ties. I mean, ang bilis matapos ng negotiations relatively, ha, 'di ba? Bakit importante to for the Marcos administration and for you as the Defense Secretary of the Philippines?
No, because no country can really defend its exclusive economic zone and its maritime zone, particularly an archipelago, and a country which is not financially capable of, leveraging its resources to get a minimum credible deterrent posture, no?
Yeah.
And it goes more expensive by the day as technology rapidly changes without alliances.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, particularly if you're faced with a threat from a bigger power just close by.
Yeah, that seemingly does not pay attention to rules.
It does not. It's not seemingly. That is obvious to me, and I'm not afraid to say it.
Yeah.
So we need these alliances, and we need to develop also minilateral alliances that work and are functional. The other alliances we enter into and the other bodies that we join are ideal and aspirational and sometimes functional. But we have to have functional alliances in terms of our national defense.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ito ay very real threat.
Yeah.
Kaya pati sa ASEAN defense ministers, very real ang usapan namin.
Yeah.
Very realistic ang usapan namin.
Yeah.
So, ang pananaw ng isang defense secretary, ano ang kinakailangan para pangalagaan mo yung bansa mo today and in the future?
Yeah.
Kasi realidad ang pinag-uusapan natin eh.
Right. Right.
So, mas nakararami ito, mas lumalaki at tumitibay ang deterrence mo.
Right.
Ang deterrence ng isang bansa. Simple lang naman yan eh. Para namang ikaw sa neighborhood mo, pinagtitibay mo lang ang bakuran mo eh.
Yeah.
Ganun din eh.
With the help of your neighbors as well. Actually, may tanong, sir, from Ken Layosa sa Rappler Communities. He was asking if there's a way to slow down China's aggression in the West Philippine Sea. Siguro sagot yun isa yun sa mga sagot sa tanong, shoring up our partnerships with other countries. But I mean, this is a very simple question, but it's a very complex answer, I'm guessing.
Sa akin, I really have to focus on my core responsibilities. These partnerships do not mean that we have nothing to put in.
Yes.
Kailangan may ambag ang Pilipinas.
Yeah.
At kailangan din naman ang ating defense establishment, ang size nito na napakaliit comparatively sa ating ang lawak ng ating binabantayan. At ang realidad na kailangan natin talaga in internal security ng ating kasunduluhan, no? Dahil ang kapulisan ay crime fighting lamang, ganun sila nag-evolve, no? Pangalawa, sa ating capabilities o equipment, kagamitan. Pangatlo, ito ang sa ating infrastructure, ang ating mga bases. Pinamigay na nga yung iba, which is, wala tayong away dun nangyari na yun. Pero the way it was managed, hindi maganda. For 26 years, 45 billion lang ang kinita. Ay, kahit na simpleng negosyante, hindi acceptable yan eh. At so, ipinapara na natin ang pagko-convert pa kasi kailangan natin eh. Ang strategic assets ito eh.
Yeah.
Na, ang hirap i-replicate.
Yeah.
Pang-apat, ang Singaporean Defense Minister said that from day one, ang defense spending nila mataas at consistent.
Okay.
Kasi taon-taon nito eh. Kaya ito importante. Kung bibili tayo, kailangan nakalaan yung igugugol mo para magamit ito ng tama. Kung hindi rin magagamit.
Yeah.
Tapos, wari mo ang isang klaseng capability ay fighters, no? Kita mo naman ang mga binibili sa mundo ngayon. Ilan? Minimum ay 50.
Yeah.
Indonesia, bumili ng 50
Yeah.
na
Yeah.
Rafale.
Yeah.
So, kung hindi ka lang bibili ng ganun kalaki, sayang lang.
Yeah.
Tapos marami nagsasabi, bakit hindi ka umuna ng 6?
Mm.
Hindi ka na makakabili ng dagdag na parehong presyo.
Mm.
Triple na ang presyo pag nakahanda ka na. At yung 6 na yon, 1 oras lang. Palagay ko hindi na tatagal yun.
Oo. Parang ito nga, sir, yung side at hindi nakikita ng publiko, yung the logistical support side of this. Like,
Oo.
to bring in a
Ang
new
hirap.
asset, hindi lang yung dadala ka ng eroplano, you have to think about the hangar, the people you'll train to maintain these expensive assets, yung buong support system to make sure these, let's say, a fighter jet functions at its best capacity.
Yung cost ng fighter jet sa pagbili, imumultiply mo yan ng ilan. Lalo na ngayon, nung araw, nag-uso yung tinatawag na just-in-time inventory system. No? Na bukas ang supply chains nung araw, walang ka-problema. So, huwag kang mag-iimbak. Kasi
Okay.
mahal yun eh.
Okay.
Pero ngayon,
Yes.
gipitan ang sikip ng supply chains, kaya may strategic reserve. Kahit ng gasolina, kailangan mo na. Kaya gumagawa tayo ng strategic bases. Dahil notionally, ang laki ng reserves natin sa budget, sa papel. Kaso, saan mo bibilin? At pag nabili mo, saan mo itatago?
Right. Right.
Yun ang hinahabol natin ngayon.
Right.